20 moving average plus RSI trading strategy. Hey guys, and welcome back to an exclusively new video on my channel TradingFi. And today in this video, we are going to talk about a strategy, in fact a very powerful strategy that is helping me and my team make a lot of money in the stock market. And in this video, I am going to explain you in detail that how can you use this strategy, how to find a proper setup with this strategy. And let me first tell you that this strategy basically makes use of two indicators, which are the 20 SMA and RSI. Now 20 SMA means 20 days simple moving average, which is a trend indicator, and RSI means relative strength index, which is a momentum indicator used in the market. And as you can see on the screen, there is a chart where we have a moving average and RSI, and we are going to use them into our strategy to find out some trades. So the black color line that you see is the 20 SMA, which is 20 days simple moving average, and below we have the RSI. Alright, so we are going to use these two indicators into our strategy to find out some trading opportunities and make money out of it, which I will teach you in the next few minutes. So if you don't want to miss this golden trading strategy, make sure that you stick to this video till the end, do not skip it, so that you don't miss any part of this video. And if you are new to this channel or not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure that you do it so that you won't miss any upcoming videos or updates on the stock market and technical analysis. Alright, so let's start with this video and let us first understand the moving average. Now moving average is a trend indicator. That means it will tell us about the trend of the market, that whether it is uptrend, downtrend or in a sideways. And as you can see on the screen, we can even use this moving average as support and resistance for the price. That's right, this moving average acts as support when the price is in an uptrend, and the same moving average then acts as resistance when the price goes into a downtrend. And when the market is sideways, that is neither going in an uptrend or downtrend, we avoid making use of moving average. Alright, and the moving average over here which we are using is the 20 SMA. And if in case you don't know what is this 20 SMA or EMA I am talking about, or maybe you don't know anything about the moving average, then I have made a playlist about moving average and RSI indicator, wherein I have explained these indicators in detail, right from absolute basic to advanced. And when you check this playlist, you will find various videos on moving average, where we are talking about how does the moving average works, or how the price takes support and resistance on moving average, what are the various types of moving average, and how can you use this indicator for crossover trading. I have explained every of this thing in this playlist. The link will be flashing above, or you can check out the description to know more about the moving average indicator. Alright, so now let's talk about the RSI. Now RSI means relative strength index, which is a type of momentum indicator in the market. And this indicator is basically a band where the line oscillates between 0 and 100. Right, the value of RSI cannot go above 100 or below 0. And we have two important levels in this RSI band, which is the 60 and 40. Whenever the RSI is above 60, we get to know that the market is bullish. And when the RSI is oscillating below 40, the market is bearish. And whenever RSI oscillates between 60 and 40, we get to know that it's sideways. Above 60 bullish, below 40 bearish, and in between 60 and 40 it's sideways. I think anyone can tell this very easily. And you see the 60 and 40 level in the RSI band acts as support and resistance for the price. That means whenever the RSI comes down to 60 or 40, there are chances that it may take a support over there and we can see a reversal in the price. And same thing happens from the bearish side. Whenever the RSI comes up to the 60 or 40 level, it may take a resistance over there and we can see a bearish reversal in the price. That is the basic concept that we are going to use into this strategy along with moving average to find some golden trading opportunities. And let me tell you that I have been using this strategy since years and it is giving me really good results. I'll explain you this strategy along with some examples. And these examples are basically some of the trades which we have done into the stock market. So as you can see on the screen, this is the daily chart of PFC. And on this chart, we have the 20 SMA and RSI. So this strategy is simple. Whenever the price takes a support on 20 SMA, and at the same time we have support on RSI 60 level, that is where we get a golden buying opportunity in a stock. This is very simple, isn't it? You just have to look that when the price takes a support on the 20 SMA, and at the same time we must have a support near the RSI 60 level or maybe RSI 40 level. And whenever you find such a setup in a stock, you are going to take that trade. You can simply buy at the ending of this confirmation candle and your stop loss will be below the swing low. And other than this, what you can do is that you can use moving average as your stop loss. That is, whenever the price cuts down the moving average, you will sell the stock. Alright, so once again, let's say this. The price takes support on the moving average, first thing, and the second is when the RSI takes support at the 60 level. And the third thing, if you observe, is that we have a kind of morning star pattern exactly over here. So it becomes a kind of triple confirmation, that is support on SMA, support on RSI 60 as well as morning star pattern, and due to this it becomes a golden trading opportunity for you. Alright, so on the same chart we have a similar buying opportunity. That is, as you can see over here, we have a support on this 20 SMA and we have the RSI taking support near to this 60 level. It is not a very perfect support on the RSI 60, but still it's fine. So we're gonna buy at the closing of this confirmation candle, stop loss below the swing low or SMA, whatever, and you can see we can make really good profit using this strategy. Alright, so the next example what I have is the daily chart of Tata Motors stock. And you might notice we have multiple trading opportunities on this chart. First, you can see we have a support on SMA exactly over here, and at the same time the RSI takes support at 60. So we are going to buy at the closing of this candle. So these are the two simple entry rules for us. Rule number 1 is the price taking support on 20 SMA, and rule number 2 is RSI taking a support on 60 level. And to exit this trade, we can use trailing stop loss or moving average. Alright, so if you observe carefully, we have another buying opportunity on this same chart. That is, you can see here the price is taking support on SMA, and parallelly we have a support on RSI 60 level. So over here we are going to simply make another buy. And that is kind of advantage of this strategy, is that it will give you multiple buying opportunities into the same chart. So even in case you miss a trade, you can re-enter it again. Just like over here, we again have a support on 20 SMA, price taking a really good support at the 60 level. So it's simple, right? We are going to buy this stock. So over here you can see we got multiple buying opportunities into the same stock, and if you want to trade these multiple opportunities, you must follow this strategy with very preciseness and proper risk management. And right now, if you're thinking to directly trade on this strategy, please don't. You see, I have told you in my previous video that strategy is only 30% of what you do in the stock market. The rest is your mindset and risk management ability. And so before using this strategy, I want you to backtest it on various stocks and see if this strategy is working properly for you or not. And before entering the live market, you must practice this strategy on paper. That is, you have to do virtual trading, also called as paper trading, to gain that confidence on strategy, so that you can build a proper mindset to trade on this strategy. And with proper risk management ability, you can make money on this system. Alright, so lastly, thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Share this video with as many traders as you know, and do not miss such many content on the stock market, technical analysis and trading. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel and press the notification bell. Alright, and I will see you in the next video.